Here we go. The release of some very important data on import prices month over month for February, up 1.4%, Joe. That's a bit lighter than expectations, and at least for the moment, sequentially follows 2% until it gets revised. If you strip out petroleum, well, it gets cut in half. Shocking. It's up 0.7% without petroleum. And the year-over-year prices like CPI and PPI are quite important. Import prices year-over-year, 10.9%. That is hotter than the 10.8% we had last month, but it's definitely down from last year's high level, which was 11.8. Now let's switch gears to export price. Month over month, up 3%, more than double expectations. And if we look at year over year, 16.6%. That's shy of the high water mark from the end of last year, which was 18.3, but it's definitely much hotter than we were expecting. On retail sales, well, we're up 0.3%, close to expectations. A very healthy revision last month from 3.8 up over 1% to 4.9. Strip out autos, stays roughly the same. It diminishes by 0.1 to up 0.2. Last month revised by over a full percentage point here as well, from 3.3 to up 4.4. If you look at ex-autos and gas, it goes negative, also not too shocking, minus 0.4%. Remember what you paid for gasoline. And in the rearview mirror, a huge revision from 3.8 up to 5.2%. And finally, on the control group, we are reversing, but revising last month 4.8 for the control group. That gets inputted, that data gets synthesized into the control number, gets inputted into other economic data points. Well, last month it was up at 4.8, which is really strong. That gets upgraded to 6.7, unbelievably strong. So down 1.2 isn't shocking. I would meld the two together. How is the aftermath of all that? Well, Joe, we're still at 2.16 on 10s. We still have a very green stock market. And, of course, we're pretty much expecting that Jay Powell will put us all on a sugar diet by removing a little bit of stimulus, by doing no more quantitative easing for now, and looking for a quarter-point hike, first time since 2018. And if you do recall, in 2018, I thought their hikes were a good thing. The president at the time and most people didn't think they were a good thing. You know, I guess when it comes to Fed funds and the overnight rate, a lot depends on how much sugar is needed in the system that has really been recalculated and recalibrated for about 13 years. Back to you.